I was broke, pocket full of lead, line on the bitch, getting paid like an underdog. Now I'm stacking chips on the road like a trucker, man. Had to take some trips, doing shows for my brothers, but strapped with extra gifts, just in case any sucker would wanna run this business. So hell, I don't trust a car swimming like the chips. I stay all about my get it green. Hell, with some time, with some crime that was made, still getting mine. All this hate, I'm feeling low. I ain't fearing, better try to be going on the lane with your cheering. Escalate what a nigga steering. Last days hearing, trying to get it right with God. Only one who I'm fearing, hoping I'ma make it, keep it real. Never do I make it chances for a nigga to get paid, so I take it, dipping like a player should. Wishing that